morning, everybody. Welcome to Sourdough Starter Day 3. I'm going to show you what my starter looks like today from yesterday's feed, and as you can see, it's risen quite a bit. Yesterday, once I fed it, she was here. Today, she is now here. So I'm going to feed that again today, and you are as well, and then we're going to do exactly the same as what we did yesterday. You're going to put 100 grams of flour and 100 grams of warm water into your 20 grams of starter. So that means you discard the 200 grams, which leaves you with the 20. And also I'm going to demonstrate how to use your 200 grams that you discarded to make a loaf of bread. But you can also do other things with it, but today we're going to make a loaf of bread. You will need a little bit of dried yeast for this because obviously our starter is not yet developed enough. It takes 6 days for that. So good luck with your sourdough starter feeding today. Any questions, please ask on Facebook and I'll answer them. And I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Good luck. Bye.